In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Slack with ClickUp. If your team chats in Slack and manages work in ClickUp, connecting the two lets you share task links that expand with helpful details and even route ClickUp notifications directly to Slack. One quick note before we start. This integration works with the Slack web app, so make sure you're using that when you set things up. To initiate the integration for your workspace, a workspace owner or administrator needs to enable it. In ClickUp, click your avatar in the lower left corner to open Workspace Settings. Then choose Integrations. Select Slack from the list. Scroll down and click Add to Slack. A window will appear asking you to authorize ClickUp to access your Slack workspace. Click Allow to continue, and the connection will be established. If you're on the latest version of ClickUp, there's another simple path. On the left side, click the More button, then choose Apps. Use the search bar to type Slack, select the Slack app, and click Connect. Follow the prompts, and you'll be linked to your account in just a moment. Once Slack is integrated, pasting a ClickUp task URL in a Slack message will automatically unfurl the link. Slack pulls key information from ClickUp, rolling out the task name along with details like the creator, current status, priority, tags, and more. That way, everyone in the channel can quickly understand the context and jump straight into the task if they need to. Beyond link previews, you can do much more. You can add a Slack message as a comment on a ClickUp task, save Slack messages to your notepad in ClickUp, create a new ClickUp task directly from Slack, and send ClickUp notifications to a Slack channel so updates meet your team where they're already working. After an admin has enabled the integration, each user can set up personal Slack notifications. In ClickUp, click your avatar and choose My Settings. In the left sidebar, scroll to the My Apps section and click Slack Notifications. You'll land in your personal Slack notification area. Click Add Notification, then pick the location in ClickUp, such as a specific space, folder, or list, whose updates you want to send to Slack.